Welcome back to my new video on slices using Golang. Slices are key data type in Go. It gives a more powerful interface to sequences than arrays. So what it means is that slices has like more powerful implementation than the primitive arrays. Okay, so let's jump right into the IDE. So inside the IDE, I'm going to create a new directory called slices. And inside that slices directory, I'm going to create a file called main. Okay, so I'm inside my main function. So I'm going to make use of a function called make. Okay, so as you can see, the make function takes a type and then a size and then some interface. Sorry about that. So as you can see, it's an inbuilt function that allocates and initializes an object of type slices, map, or channel only. Okay, so within this make function, I'm going to declare an empty string, okay, or it could be an empty array. Okay, so we want to make an empty slice of or an empty array of string type. So I start with my square bracket and then I put in a string, empty string, and then the size of this string of arrays is what? 3. Okay. So this make function returns a type, okay? So let's call it A. And then I'm going to print ln A. So if I run this function, you can see it prints an empty array. Okay. So now we want to assign some values to this empty array. So we say A square bracket at index 0, we want to assign USA. Index 1, we want to assign Ghana. Index 2, we want to assign China. Index 3, we want to assign Russia. Okay, so now we have 4 elements. So let's change the size to be what? 4. And now let's print A one more time. So now we have go run main. So as you can see, the elements in this slice of arrays. Okay. So what if we want to access the elements? We can just say A, and then we say 2. We want to access China from the list, okay? And then also we can check the length of this slice. So let's run this. So you can see we access China, and then the length of this slices is 4, okay? Now, let's try other examples. So now I want to append some elements to the slice of arrays. Okay, so this is how you can do it. A is equal to append method. And then as you can see, the append method has slice of some type, and then the elements that you want to append to. So we're going to pass A, and then the elements that we want to pass. So we want to pass India to it. And then we want to add one more country. Let's call it Canada. Okay, so now let's print A. So as you can see, we've been able to add India and Canada to the slice of elements in that order, okay? So what if we want to slice the elements in the arrays? So as we know, the length is how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 elements, okay? So now we want to slice the elements from 2, which is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we want to slice from China to Canada. Okay, so what we can do is we can say L is equal to A. We slice from 2 to 5, and then we print L. So as you can see, we've been able to slice the elements from China, Russia, and India. So 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 3, 4. So it's not going to add the Canada because it's -1. Okay, so up to, but not including the last one. Okay, so take note of that. Up to, but not the last element. So if we also do something like this, K is equal to A, we want to slice from 2 and everything else. And then also we can do H, everything else up to the 3rd element. And then, yeah, I think these are some of the possibilities. Or you can do N, everything. Okay, so let's print all this. Let's print K. Let's print H. And then let's print N. Okay. So as you can see, the L is this one. And then the K is this one. Okay, K is this one. K starts from 2, the second element, which is 0, 1, 2, to Canada, from the second element to everything else. And then H starts from where? The first element up to the third one. So we have US, Ghana, and China. Okay, the first 3 elements, this is how you slice it. And everything else, which is N, you can see N is able to print everything in that slice of arrays. Okay, so I think that is all for now. If you have any question, you can leave a message. Until then, happy learning. See you in the next one.